Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide recently added apps in Windows 11's recommended start menu. When you click on this one start button, you will see this one recommended section in a start menu, and here you will see recently added applications. In case you don't need this recently added applications, here you can turn it off from Windows 11 settings. For that, click on this one start button, then click on this one settings option. Under settings, click on this one personalization. After that, scroll down on the right sidebar and click on this one start tile. Now here you will see option show recently added apps. Just turn this one toggle switch to off, and from now onwards when you will open a start menu, you will not see recently added apps under recommended section on your Windows 11 PC.